This is the opening range breakout system in Bloodhound, and you can see it's using this initial balance indicator, the ANA-IB range bands indicator. So for crude oil, it's using an offset from the close at 5:15 Eastern. Okay, so this offset is from 5:15 Eastern. So 8 hours and 15 minutes from 5:15 brings us to 9 a.m. Eastern, and I've set the initial balance to a period of only 5 minutes. You can obviously set this to 10 or 15 or 30 or whatever you want, but for this demonstration it's set to 5 minutes. Okay, and inside of the strategy, if you wanted to change that, you can see I have an opening range indicator and the initial balance indicator. Alright, the initial balance, which is what I'm showing on the chart, is being used only for the targets, for the exit strategy. So for the breakout, I'm using only the opening range by itself without these targets and pre-market low, pre-market high, and all of that. So what we can do is open this up and then manipulate the offset here and the opening range here. If I wanted to set this to, say, 10 minutes, I would set that here to 10. All right, and then you would have to run down the line and do that for every one. So you would have to do the same thing here. Change this to whatever you want, 5, 10, 15, 20, whatever, and then do that all the way down right here. Okay, now this is for crude oil. See, opening range breakout, CL, 5-minute opening range, and you are going to want to run this only on a 1-minute chart, and that's it, only on a 1-minute chart. Okay, now if you want to set this to the TF, let's change it to the TF now, or the YM or the ES. Let's change it to TF. I think it's going to have to be different from the TF than it is from the ES. So let's check and see what it is now. We'll have to adjust it. Yeah, see, it's opening at 8:45. We want it to open at 8:30. So we need to add or subtract 15 more minutes. So this needs to be 8:30. We'll keep it at 5 minutes. So let's set it to 8:30. And there it is right there. So that's correct. Now we want to go inside and change this template. For the TF, rather than 5 minutes, let's use at least 10 minutes. Let's use 15. We'll set this to 15 for the TF. And now I'm going to save this as I'll save it as opening range breakout 15 TF 15-minute. And then I have to go in here and change these one by one. So I have to change this to 30, change this to 15, click OK, change this next one to 30, 15, click OK, change this one to 30, 15, click OK, change this one to 30 and 15, click OK, and we're good. So now we have an opening range breakout for the TF for a 15-minute chart, and there's the breakout for today. Two very nice trades today in the TF and crude oil. And that's really, that's it. It's that simple. Let's change it now to an ES. See if we need to make any adjustments. Yes, we do need to make some adjustments. So it looks like, ooh, oh, we've got some missing data here or something. Yeah, something's wrong. Let me reload the data. Okay, yeah, it's set from 7:45, so I need to add 45 minutes. Okay, so I'll add 45 minutes here. So this will be 7:45. And we'll leave it at 15. Okay, yeah, so that got it. So that's working for the ES, probably for the NQ. It should be the same for the NQ and the YM. Let's try the NQ now. Yeah, same for the NQ. And then the YM. Same for the YM. Okay, good. So now all we have to do is go in and change this for the ES. Save as opening range, breakout, ES 15-minute, and then we just have to change this to 7:45. That should update it visually on the chart. Yep. So there's our true breakout. Barely had a breakout to the upside right there. Fake out, breakout. And then that was our winner there. So now we'll change this to 7:45. $7.45. $7.45. So that's now our opening range breakout for the ES 15-minute, the TF 15-minute, and the CL 5-minute. And this will all be used on a 1-minute chart. Okay, so this is going to be the chart template for opening range ES 15-minute, and then the TF 15-minute. And then finally the CL 5-minute, opening range CL 5-minute. Okay, and that's it. Thanks.